Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing. Make sure you can buy or earn cosmetics and plans. Open the Atomic Shop and event exchanges, bookmark them. Once done, check in-game vendors, Whitespring and event traders rotate stock, and scan your stash and workshops for any existing black titanium items or blueprints. If you already own related plans, move them to your inventory so you can craft immediately. Make sure you have enough caps or atoms to acquire the item when it appears. Next, actively farm sources that drop or sell the paint or plans. Focus on repeatable events and daily ops where cosmetics rotate, collect event tokens, and redeem them at the event exchange. Visit outfitters and seasonal vendors regularly because paints and plans appear sporadically. If time is tight, use player trading communities to locate someone selling the black titanium paint or blueprint. Keep track of vendor restock windows so you can be online. Finally, craft or apply the paint. If you have a blueprinted black titanium, open the appropriate workbench, confirm materials, and craft the item. Once crafted or purchased, go to the customization menu on the item, select black titanium, preview, and confirm to save it. If the option never appears, make sure the blueprint is in your inventory, restart the client to refresh outfits, and verify game files. If problems persist, check vendor rotations and community markets. Sometimes the quickest fix is locating another copy for trade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.